Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Open up, just spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Open up, just spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Standing on the edge while you're looking down, flying down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies, won't ya? Standing on the edge while you're looking down, fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies. To yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. The unit that I am wearing is their dark Auburn Body Wave 13x4 lace wig. It is 24 inches and is 150% density, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go on their site, and on their site for product details it says the brand is Beauty Forever. The color is 33B. The length is 18 to 24 inches, so they do have this unit in 18 to 24, all being even numbers, and as I stated, I have it in 24 inches. The cap size is average, which is 21.5 to 22 inches. The cap construction is lace front human wig. It says slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked, natural hairline, glueless baby hair around. And the texture is body wave. So I do want to go ahead and mention that I did feel like the knots were sort of bleached. I did decide to go ahead and bleach them myself, but I don't think you would have to if you didn't want to. I did not have to tweeze this unit whatsoever. A girl woke up like this, honey. She got out of her box, which is her bed, and she woke up like this, okay? So I want to throw that out there as well. And if you see some glitter on me, my little cousin went to prom yesterday, and we have glitter everywhere. So if you see glitter in my hair, it don't come like that. That is my bad, okay? As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I honestly have not experienced any. That's not to say at some point it won't. It's just straight out of the packaging. She is not doing any other things. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it's definitely more so big head friendly than not. I am an average cap size, but when I have to adjust the straps, then I deem a unit to be big head friendly. So girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Now, if you're interested in a full 360 and length check, as well as my pros and cons about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, if you watch me, then you can go ahead, just type down below what's the con. Pause the video and tell me what the con is, because I'm sure you know. The con with this unit is the fact that it is a 13x4, okay? And I did have to do a C part, as you guys can see, and that is just because the welt is right here. So that is always my con with the 13x4 wigs. It's just, it's not limited styling, but it's much more limited than it would be if it was a 13x6, you feel me? So yeah, that is my con. Now let's get into these pros, honey. First of all, my number one pro with this unit is the color. This color is life. I love this color. Now granted, this is definitely a color that I would typically wear in the fall, or in the, you know, in the colder months. But honey, I feel like I can rock it whenever, honey. I'm gonna rock old girl in the spring and summer. I love this color. I think it's a really, really nice color. I know some people can be a little, you know, afraid of colors, but I feel like this is a color that looks good on anybody. It's just, girl, I'm feeling it, okay? I'm feeling it. So yeah, the color is everything. I also love that the unit came pre-tweezed, because you know your girl don't like to tweeze nothing. Okay, you know she don't. She don't like to do it if she ain't got to do it. So that was also a pro for me as well. And yeah, those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I would recommend it purely off the color alone, honey. I think the color is just so nice that I would, like I'm saying, like I would literally recommend it based off the color. That's how nice, that's how much I love the color. But also I love the fact, like I stated before, that it was pre-tweezed, but this color is just life. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on talk I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helping Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Let yourself unfold.